It's a Tailored Life. My name is Taylor, and today I have my son Jackson with me. If you are not new to my channel, you've probably heard me talking about him a lot. We are going to be doing a Halloween clean and decorate today. So today is October 1st. I planned on decorating for Halloween back in mid-September. Well, I wanted to do a fall Halloween clean and decorate with me back in September, but we've had so much going on in my house. I have to catch you guys up. There's so much been going on, and I feel like every time I make a video and I'm like, oh, we had so much going on, but I'm back now, something else happens. But I'll catch you guys up on what's been going on. My youngest son has been sick, and we've been dealing with a lot for this past month. We're hoping this is the end of it. I'm claiming it. We are trusting God that this is the end of it. But with it being the first, it's a Saturday. We're kind of just hanging around the house. Me and Jackson were like, let's go ahead. Let's decorate for Halloween. Let's get in the spirit. So the house is pretty clean right now, but we do need to do a quick little tidy up. So I'm just going to straighten up around here, and then we're going to pull out all of our decor, and we are going to make this place look really fun and spooky. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go ahead and get started.
So we are going to get started in our family room area. I love decorating in this area because this is where my family spends most of our time. We're always on the couch, like we have movie nights here. We're always watching TV here. Even in the morning when my son is getting ready for school, like he's usually like hanging around on the couch, getting dressed on the couch. Like this is just our like little family hub area. So in my formal area, I kind of keep it a little bit more fancy, but in this area, it's really always playful, always kind of kid-friendly, just very warm and cozy.
So we are now in the bathroom, and I just need to clean off this stuff. My husband just left for work in a rush, so I just need to put these things away, pick up this towel that they use because I had just washed the rugs, so it looks like I need to replace the toilet paper, and put this away. My husband uses a soak after he uses it like a soap tub. Even though it's a pedicure tub, he uses it with like ice water in it to soak after he plays tennis. So I just need to put that away because I actually just cleaned the tub and mopped in here and everything yesterday, so I don't have to do a lot. So I'm just gonna quickly get rid of all of this stuff, and I'm just gonna do a little bit of decor in here, but you'll see. So let me just go ahead and quickly get this taken care of.
And I just want to go ahead and take a second to introduce myself. If you are new here, my name is Taylor. I am a wife and a stay-at-home mom. I have 2 boys, my oldest son Jackson, who's in the video with me today, and I have a 1-year-old son Lincoln, who is napping while we are cleaning and decorating. I love making cleaning videos. I especially love making decorating videos. So if you like those type of videos, please subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you're new here. I love getting to know everyone.
Alright, so we just finished our very quick little tidy up, and we are moving quickly because my youngest son Lincoln is taking a nap right now. So I want to try to finish this before he wakes up from his nap. We're cutting it close on time, but I think we're going to get it done. So I didn't wipe down any of the tabletops and countertops, and that is because I wanted to use my fall scented cleaning items before I did any of that. So right now I'm just gonna pull out, I think I'm gonna pull out all of my fall stuff. Let me see, I'm gonna show you guys where I have it, because I don't even, like, this is how much I have been planning on doing this and have been just putting it off because like we've been having doctor appointment after doctor appointment, and life has just been a lot right now. So I'm just going to show you guys like where I've been keeping everything, and I'm going to come up with a plan on how I'm going to pull it out, because I kind of have all of my Halloween and fall items to get. I'm going to show you guys. Hold on. So here in my formal living, in this corner is all of my Halloween and fall decor. That some of it is like old, like things in this box. Well, the stuff on top is new, but this box is like old, and then I also have some old things in here. But as you can see, I kind of have everything mixed together, and I'm trying to decide how I want to pull this all out. I think I'm going to just bring both boxes into our family room and pull out what I need, and then put back the fall stuff, and hopefully I can do fall tomorrow. But right now I'm just going to try and get through this. Okay, so this is everything, and as you can see, my theme for this year was Hocus Pocus, which of course is because the new Hocus Pocus came out this year. So these are just some pillowcases that I ordered on Amazon. So I'm gonna go through this stuff really quickly and remove, like, these are not going in this area. These are going in my formal with like my fall Thanksgiving decor that I'm gonna be putting out. So I'm just gonna go through all of this stuff and pull out anything that's not for this area of the house. Okay, so I went ahead and I pulled everything out. A lot of this stuff is from like last year. Those are from last year. That's from last year. But like that new Hocus Pocus blanket, I got that this year at Home Goods. I also got this to hang on our little TV stand. I thought that was super cute. I don't know where I'm gonna put this because I'm doing something totally different in the kitchen, but I was like, that's so cute. I love Rae Dunn, and of course, like anything Hocus Pocus. And I got a bunch of these pillowcases on Amazon, and I did go ahead and get some of the pillow inserts so that way I can just easily swap them out every year. But the texture of these, I don't know. It didn't say that they were for outdoors, but it feels like an outdoor pillowcase. So I'm not really sure. I'm like, maybe I should wash it first. I don't know. But they're really, really cute. So I'm definitely going to use them. And they are like a part of the Hocus Pocus theme that I'm going for. So me and my little helper here, we're going to start decorating. Are you ready to decorate?
Yeah, well, I'm decorating right now. I'm decorating right now. I just made like a little candy shop with pumpkins in front of it. 3 pumpkins.
So we're gonna get some of that stuff set up on here.
So I wanted to show you all a really quick haul of the smell good items that I got for the fall season. I went to Bath and Body Works and I just picked up some hand soaps. I got the flannel, the sweater weather, and like most of my scents have like an apple base to them. I love fall scents, but sometimes they can be a little bit too spicy for me. I hope that makes sense. Like sometimes there's a little bit too much cinnamon, and like I can burn a candle with that scent, but I can't have the smell all day. I don't know why, it just gets a little bit overwhelming for me. So for my plugins, I got like all apple or pumpkin based scents, which smell like really crisp and like sweet still. They still have that like fall smell to them. I hope I'm making sense, but it's just not too overwhelming for me. And I just was showing you all also, I picked up a couple of hand sanitizers, and I used my coupon, so I got a hand cream as my free gift. So I just went ahead and went around the house and took out all my plugins and swapped them out. It was like perfect timing because they all needed refills. And I also got this new pumpkin plugin, which I'm gonna keep for next year, because let me know below, like, do you all swap out your plugins often? Because, well, like the actual plugin, I saw someone in a video say that they switch theirs out every season, and like I've had mine for like over a year. Like they still work, the lights still work. Like I just figured I would swap them out when the lights stop working. So I don't know. But I also got my Mrs. Meyer's fall scented apple cider cleaner. I got the multi-surface spray, the hand soap, and the dish soap. And I got these at Target during the summer when they first put them out. But check your local Sam's Club, because when I went into mine, they sell like a gift pack with the 3 of them all packaged together, and it's only like $11. So make sure you check your local Sam's Club and see if they have them. I'm watching this back while I'm editing, and I'm actually laughing because as we're setting out these little pumpkins, I'm telling Jackson how, hopefully we can keep them out because his little brother's probably going to touch them. And you guys, it is literally the next day, and I think we're down to only about 3 pumpkins left. I don't know where the pumpkins are. Like, Lincoln woke up from his nap and he loved the decorations. He was so excited about it, and he went straight for the little pumpkins. And at first he was like putting them back, but then he started throwing them, like trying to bounce them like balls. And yeah, now we're down to like 3 pumpkins up there, and it's only the next day. So I'm gonna have to go look under all the furniture and try and find and collect all the little pumpkins again. So if you've watched any of my previous clean and decorate with me videos, then you probably know I love to do this every season. Every season I pull out the cookie jar and I put Oreos that match the color of the season. So during the summer I had the yellow stuffed Oreos. During Christmas I will usually do the red stuff. Like, I love it for decor. I also let the kids eat them, so we definitely washed our hands. So if you do this with you and your kids, make sure you wash your hands when stacking them in there. But whenever we have guests come over, I feel like it's really cute centerpiece, but it's also like a great little grab a quick Oreo and go kind of thing. But I love doing this. This is my first time letting Jackson help me, so the cookies aren't stacked as neatly as they would be if I did it myself. So it usually has a much more of a nicer, like, spiral look to the cookies if you put them all in a circular shape. When you're putting them in, it looks really, really nice. But I just thought it would be more fun to let him help this year and let him have fun. It didn't look perfect, but I just love that he enjoyed helping me put these in. So now we're going to put the pillows into our pillowcases that I got from Amazon. And this is my first year doing this, but I actually love this. So I got these pillows on Amazon. They come in a pack of 4. And this is just going to be great for the seasons. It's going to be super easy to change the pillow covers on the pillows. I know I could have tried to put pillow covers over the pillows that I already have, but I was having a hard time finding the size and pillowcases for the pillows that I already have. So I just went ahead and I bought these, but to me it was like a great investment because I can use them year round. Just swap out the pillowcases every season. So when it's Christmas time, I can just get 8 new pillowcases. It's a lot cheaper than buying throw pillows that match the season. So I would definitely recommend this. Like, go on Amazon. I'm gonna link them down below. I do have an Amazon storefront, so I will link them down below. I'll also link the pillowcases and just a few other pillowcases that I really like that I saw on Amazon.
It is looking very Halloween and feeling really cute and spooky in here, which is what I've really been wanting to do. So I'm so happy we did it. I'm glad you guys watched with us. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm scared when I see the bats and the witches.
So we are going to watch Hocus Pocus 2 tonight. We are a day behind everyone because he had not seen the first one. I just wanted to make sure he was at the appropriate age so that it wouldn't be scary for him. And he really enjoyed it last night. So tonight we are going to be watching Hocus Pocus 2. So we're going to be ordering some takeout and having a movie night. But thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing if you have not already done so. And please give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you next time. Bye.
Now can I show them my watch?
Okay, quickly, show your watch.
Okay, now we will see the watch. They have a timer set. They have more than one timer set. They have alarm clocks, and they have this quick in the sale. They have an alarm clock one.
You can hold it up and show it. There we go.
And then they have the sand one.
All right.
And they have calculators. They have a microphone speaker. They have a thing where you can look at all your pictures. You can delete them. And then they have video games. They have a camera. They have a camera and they have a recorder and they have a fast editor.
All done?
Yeah.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye.